Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to protect your account from hacking. For that, come to Facebook and go to settings. Click on settings in privacy and later on click on settings. Here click on password and security. Scroll down to two-factor authentication and use two-factor authentication. Here you select text messages and click on continue. In this menu, enter your phone number that actively you are using. After entering your phone number, simply click on confirm. After confirming your phone number, you will receive a text message in your phone through text message. Inside the text message, there would be a 6-digit code. Get the code from your phone and enter the 6-digit code here in this text box and click on continue. After that, you will see that two-factor authentication is on. Now your account is fully secured and no one can hack your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for